This video will show you how easy it is to add a machine in the John Deere Operations Center. You simply have to click on the equipment icon. If you have active JD-Link machines, they were already signed to your account by your dealer. To add new equipment, John Deere machines and other brands, you have to click the plus symbol. Now you have to fill in the PIN number and name of your machine. In this case, we add a John Deere 6155R tractor. After that, you search for the brand. Select what kind of equipment it is. And after that, you can select the specific model of the machine you want to add. If the model is not in the list, you can still add it manually. In the last step, you can choose the colors that you would like to use for the shown machine icon. John Deere brand colors are available. Now you simply have to click on Add, and your machine will be available in the machine list. You can search for the machine number or name, and here it is. As soon as you added a machine or equipment, further information is available. To see the machine flag, you can either select the equipment in the machine list, or you can click directly on the machine icon on the map. In this tab, you can see all kinds of information, which we will now briefly look at. The eye icon shows you general information about your machine. With this icon, you can start Remote Display Access session, which will be explained in a separate video. Here you can send files to the machines, which will be explained in a separate video. Clicking this icon will open Google Maps to show you the machine location and direction, or you can look at the jobs which have been assigned to this machine if you have purchased a My Job Connect license. To watch how you can do that, check out the other videos about the Operations Center or My Job Connect. The main numbers show you the actual work progress of the machine. In this case, the 6R is heading west at 8 km per hour. The information up here tells you the last time your JD-Link machine was calling in. Let's look at the information icon in a bit more detail. Here you can find all the information we added at the beginning of the video, as well as the current terminal and display status and version. If the machine is equipped with JD-Link and an MTG terminal, you can see which JD-Link subscription you have on the machine. Now click on Offsets. Here you can add or change the width and height of your machine. Once saved, this will help you to get started in the field right away. Back on the map of the Operations Center, the blue line shows you the location history of your just selected JD-Link equipped machine, and the pink line of your other JD-Link equipped machines. You can see up to 60 days later where the machine has been, and also watch the work progress.